What's up, everybody? It's time for your first Adobe Illustrator challenge. So while you're learning the tools and techniques in Adobe Illustrator, another really important part to understand is how to train yourself in your eye and your understanding of the program so that you know what tools and techniques to use to create a certain look. There'll be times where you have an idea in your head or you'll be looking at another piece and you have to know what tool you would use or what shape or what combination of things you would use to create that look. That's what this challenge is about. I've provided a file with 6 practice shapes, and what I'd like each one of you to do is to look at those shapes and, to the best of your ability, try to recreate the closest replica you can using the techniques we've done in these videos already. And if you'd like, you could go on and try to learn some others. For the most part, these are all done with things that I have done in these videos so far. So give this a shot, and the next video will be the solution to these. But try to do them on your own, try to see, and if you do get frustrated, take a break, move on to the next one. Don't get hung up on just one. Experiment around and try to see. Figuring out one may give you the answer to another one, so try to play around with them each. Once you have a pretty solid suggestion, upload that as a class project, and then go back and watch the solution video and see if you did it right. Or if you want, you can also watch the solution video and then try to get it. But we're looking for the best, closest representation we can. All right, good luck, and I will see you in the answer video.